Good morning. 7:30 in the morning. We're at the boat ramp. High tide. It's a real nice day. Just putting the boat in the water now. And we're gonna shoot up the river and go flick some softies around and see what happens. We're meeting up with Finn and then fish for this whole day. At low tide probably go to the mouth, fish the structure, and then we'll see what happens. Yep. Oh mate, I didn't take the muffs off the motor last night. Yep. There we go. Boat's in the water. Get the engine down. First pop, up the past him. We on. Alright, so we're gonna shoot up the river here and meet up with Finn and put some softies around and try and get some fish. Hopefully we can get a good one for the comp today. That will be good. Finn and Ryder now, just fishing up in the river past the bridge. Ryder's just lost a good fish apparently. See what we can get into. Hopefully we can get that fish back. Little guy anyway. Yep. Nah. Got the hook up on video though. Oh, I lost him. Surely come back. Oh.
I just missed one, and I opened my bell and I just lost it.
Yep. He's back. He's a little guy. He's tiny. Tiny. Back into it. Yeah, I just got a good hit. I'm gonna try get on that side. Yeah, because that's the channel. Not the fish that we're after. Oh, on another fish. This one doesn't feel too bad. I've just moved to the channel here. There we go. Not too bad. He's not bad. There we go. It's not a bad one for the river. Comp. On that little 2.5 inch Z-Man. Yeah. Right in the shallows. Look at that. We'll get him in. Here's a cool looking fish. Not bad. Finn's just got a nice one.
Holy hecker.
That's an all good snapper though. He's a real pretty fish.
Huh?
He's a real pretty fish.
Oh, he's got some grunts on him.
Look at that.
Such a pretty fish, man.
We're just gonna move to the river mouth now. We've had a few fish there, looking good. We'll see what we can get at the mouth with some current and hopefully some more bait there. Yup. Fun. Oh, it wouldn't be a good day to go offshore, right? It's like blowing 20 knots right now out there. And the river is nice, but yeah.
Oi, fuck the fucking dog! Get the fucking dog!
Finn's freaking out over there. Little snapper. It's not the one we're looking for, but still a fish.
Get the fucking dog!
There we go. Nice little snapper. There we go. Not a bad fish. Oh. I think I've got the little snapper. No, he's small. He's scrappy as. Hey, he's actually not bad, eh? Not a bad little snapper on that 2.5-inch Z-Man. Yeah. Way too choppy out here, so we're gonna go back up the river and wait for the incoming tide, see what we can get. All I've been having today is micros. Just noticed this is really good. Alright, let's get back up in the river. Just thought I'd have a flick by these poles here, and I cast them between them. Look what I got. Snapper. You. Check that. That's exactly what I needed. Big jackmack. I can put this guy on a straight line. He's huge. Look at that. I'm going to straight line this guy, just drag it on the back of the boat, let's see what picks it up. So I've got that jackmack, the slab of that jackmack on the straight line, on the Ocean's Legacy Cloud 9, and then I'm just soft baiting while I'm waiting for something to pick up that. Yeah, see what happens. There we go, we've anchored up, we've got a burley, and chucking some straight lines out. It's not a bad fish. That's not a bad fish. For the river, and that is up there.
Oh, it's only 31.
So Hunt had motor problems and we just towed him back, and now we're back fishing. Just casting around the mangroves here. Finn got a 38 earlier, so we'll see if we can get any more. Phew. Sunset out here. Oh no! I just lost a really good fish. No! He was like 50. Man, I'm pissed I lost that fish. That would have been a really good one for the comp. Now I'm snagged. So just get this out. I think I'm just going to fish with the 2.5 inch because that's what they're eating. They're not really eating the 7 inch. It's a nice sunset. Probably going to stay out here another 20-25 minutes. We'll just see how the fishing goes. There we go. Caught some kelp on the Cloud 9. There we go. Want a fish? On the sunset. This is so nice. What is he? Oh, it's not a bad snapper. Honestly, that's all good. A lot smaller than the one I just lost, but oh, he's a hard fighter. Come on, give up, mate. Oh. He's still small, but for the river, that's not a bad fish. He would be a good eater, but I'm not really keeping fish today. Not bad. He's real pretty. Get him back here. So I think I'm going to do one more drift and then I'll head back in and see what happens. Hopefully I can get a good fish on the last drift. This one doesn't seem too bad either. This spot's really providing, eh? Yeah, boy. Oh. No, he's small, he's just a scrappy one. Whew. He fought pretty hard for his size, eh? He's tiny. There's a plane going by above us. Alright. Quickly. Off he goes. It's getting a bit late now, it's like 8:20. And it's getting dark, so I'm gonna head back to the ramp, get picked up. Up the person.